How to cancel Spotify Premium. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can cancel premium on Spotify, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to cancel your Spotify Premium subscription, you will not be able to do so from the app itself. So what you want to do is you want to simply open up your browser and then go to spotify.com and then make sure that you're signed into the account. Then once you're signed into the account, what you want to do is you just want to make sure to tap the gear icon from the top right hand side, go to this option called view account. So let me just come back to show you again. Just tap the gear icon and then go to this option called view account over here. Then once you go to this option called view account, you're going to be landed on this page as you can find it. Then once you're on this page, what you want to do is you want to simply make sure to tap the account overview tab, and then over here you'll be able to see all these details. And if you have a specific premium subscription, then under it you'll be able to see your plan. And over here you'll find the cancel premium. Instead of join premium, you'll select cancel premium here, and then you should be good to go from there onwards. And this way you can cancel a Spotify Premium. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.